Okay, hello folks. A quick update. We're here in KYOTO, by the way. Amazing place. Now, an update on workshops. We've got the 2 workshops in Thailand in October and November. They're on the website. If you go to the website, it'll say insecure. Just click and go past that, and the website's fine. The SSL code's not working too well, so all the information's there anyway. You just need to pass the warning sign, and you have a calendar there of the workshops. Everything's set for the KYOTO workshop as well. The venue's all booked. I've had a couple of people inquire about that, and the dates for that are on the website as well. And the main theme this year is Initiation to Hermetics, with an overlay on Evocation and Kabbalah. The more senior return student groups will be doing more on the Kabbalah side and evocational side, and on the beginner groups we're doing more in the area of Initiation to Hermetics and laying the foundation for evocation and Kabbalah. So we will do a little bit of it, but we have to see where each student is at and lay a good foundation for everyone. So that'll be a lot of fun. If you've booked in with Pari already, everything's good. If you're unsure about the dates or anything, just have a look at the website. They're there. They've all been posted there. Okay, I'll just reply to whatever emails come through, or if you connect to Pari will reply to whatever emails, questions you have about it. But I'll see you guys in KYOTO in a few weeks, or in Chiang Mai towards the end of the year. Have a good one.